Hey there everybody, and welcome to azdrone.net. Are you ready to take your drone skills to new heights? Whether you're just starting out or you want to expand your knowledge base, now is the perfect time to invest in your future. Here at AZ Drone, we specialize in drone construction workflow. But that doesn't mean that we don't do other types of drone work as well, as you'll see here today. Right now, you can get my 18 class bundle, which is normally $275 for just $137.50. That's 50% off for the holiday season. These classes are designed specifically for novice pilots who want to break into photogrammetry, 3D modeling, drone construction progression, orthomosaic mapping, and delivering professional results to your clients. The best part? Many of these lessons take you directly to our job sites so you can see what we do when we're on location. If you're still unsure, here's some incentive. Every course includes free previews so you can try before you buy. You'll see exactly what you're getting before you have to make any decisions. Our students are landing jobs and growing their businesses, and you can too. Don't miss this chance to learn from a professional drone pilot who specializes in drone progression work. We'll share examples of the type of work we do for our clients and how we provide actionable final data for them. This offer is not going to last long. Click the link below or visit classes.azdrone.net to grab the bundle at 50% off before it's gone. The coupon code is Black Friday 2024 in all caps.